Here's a quick look at my 3-inch Mandala Brainstorm. It's a digital download in my Etsy store. Page 1 is a place to experiment with colors and practice a mandala design. Page 2 is your DIY stencil and instructions. Page 3 is just your personal use license and a DIY flat edge in case you need it. Let me show you how I use this digital download. The first thing I do, I pick my colors and I log them. The second thing I do is begin practicing. There are 5 sets of guidelines on this page, so you can practice as many times as you need until you come up with a design you love. Once you have your design, it's time to put it on a stone. Cut out the stencil on page 2. Use the sharp end of your compass to poke holes in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and all of the red dots, like this. When I have all my holes, I turn it over and I do it again. I want to see the holes and I want it flat against my rock. I take my time because I'm not going to have to do this again for a very long time. We just keep reusing this same stencil. If it ever wears out, just print another. I use a watercolor pencil to mark the center of my stone, and then I line up the center dot. I press firmly with my finger and place dots within all of the holes we just created. Next, I'll use my compass to make 3 circles. All that's left to do is take a flat edge and connect the dots to create the guidelines, like this. And there you have it. I now have the same guidelines on my stone that I have on my Mandala Brainstorm. Now comes the fun part where I can take this design and put it on my rock. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Now I want to show you what I do with my Mandala Brainstorm pages when I'm done. I take an ordinary binder, I punch holes in the pages, and I keep a Mandala Sketchbook. It is so great because now I always have a full set of instructions on how to recreate my stones even after they're gone. I love this idea. I can't quit using it. I hope you guys do too. I'll leave links to all my supplies down in the description so you can get yours today. Until next time, rock on!